Good morning, everyone. I'm Angel with Angel Blends. I am just checking in with you. I just want to make sure that you all are still blending, juicing, and eating raw. I know a lot of you are. You've been posting quite a few status updates about your various blends and what you're juicing and what you're eating raw. And so I'm so proud of you. I want to encourage you to stick with it. You're definitely going to see the benefits. The health benefits, and you'll see changes in your body. I'm sure you already are seeing those changes. For those of you who are not on the bandwagon this week, don't feel bad. Today's just Tuesday, so just get with it. Today you've got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. All right, and just keep posting your status updates. Let us know what you're blending and juicing. Let us know what you're eating raw. It's going to encourage the group, and we all can learn from it. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Angel Blends. And remember, know your food. Have a great day.